Hey guys, welcome back to this Codewars tutorial. Today we'll be tackling the meeting kata. In this kata, John has invited some friends. He has a list, which is a string. In this list is the first name, the last name, and separated by a comma. The first and last name are separated by a semicolon. So what we need to do is need to make this string uppercase, sort in alphabetical order by last name. If they're the same, sort by first name. And what we need to return is a string with parentheses around each name and separated by a comma. So if we're doing a very basic solution, we shall just say let upper is equal to s dot uppercase, and then we want to reassign that, which you should probably never do really. And we split on each semicolon to get an array of each name. On this, we can just loop through. So we just do a simple for loop. So I is 0. If I is greater than upper.length, plus plus. In here, we just want to do upper with the index of I is equal to upper, index of I again, but we want to split this on the colon to get the first and last name in an array. Once we've got this, we need to reverse, simply done like that. And then what we need to do is sort the array. So we want to return upper.sort, which will sort the array. However, we still have the problem that it's an array and not a string. To solve this, we can use the reduce function. And in here, we shall provide it with a callback function. And the second parameter we give is an empty string. In the reducer, we want an accumulate and the name. So what will happen here is the accumulator is the string and it gets added to the empty string. So we want to return the accumulator plus equals a string template. In here we need parentheses surrounding, and in here we will do the name 0, and then we need a comma, and then again we want name with the index of 1. If we test this, you'll see this passes all the tests. However, we could probably do a lot better than this and chain it all together. So if we just return s dot to uppercase, then after this part we also want to then map over. Sorry, we want to split first on the semicolon. Then instead of the for loop, we want to map over. And we'll give it a name, and then we want name.split, again on the colon, and then we just want to reverse that. From here, we want to sort the array, and then we want to reduce the array. Again, we could probably use the same thing here. Just copy and paste that. However, we could probably do a lot better than that, as instead of the curly brackets, we just use some parentheses to implicitly return this. And that gets rid of the return symbol, well, return sign. So if we test this, you can see it still passes, which I think is a pretty good solution. However, if you really wanted, you could make it a bit shorter by turning this into an arrow function. Const meeting is equal to s arrow, And instead of the return, you can get rid of this. We can replace with curly brackets, or you can just leave it without any brackets at all. And you can see that passes the tests. And I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. See you later.